Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a transparent logo in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video right here. I'm going to go to local and I'm going to add in the CapCut logo. I'm just going to adjust the size and place it here. Go to video, go to basic, go to the blend mode, and you can choose any of these that you want. There's brighten, which does remove the dark background here. They have screen, darken, which removes the white part of it. There's also overlay, hard light, soft light, color burn, linear burn. Just choose whichever one suits your video the best or the one that you want. I'm just going to select color burn here, and if it's a little bit too much, I'm going to just select opacity and I'm just going to make it a little bit more transparent. And that's how you can make your logos look transparent in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.